तेजस्विनां अवधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Slowly open your eyes. Take your hands up toward the sky. Join both the hands together. Stay here for a few. One breath. Exhale. Arch toward your right. Hold it here for a few seconds. Inhale to come back on a center. Exhale to arch toward your left. Inhale to come back. Exhale to arch. 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 Inhale to come back. Hold it here for a 1 breath, 2 breath, and exhale to release your arm. Exhale, take your left arm on a side, drop your left elbow and stretch your right arm over the head outside wise. Stay here for a few breaths. Concentrate on your belly and the arch on the lower abdominal. Hold it here for a few more breaths. Make sure the stretch on the top rib cage, upper rib cage. Hold it here for a few more breaths. Concentrate to the stretch. Slowly to come back on a center to switch your side. Drop your right arm on the floor. Stretch your left arm over the head out on a side. Concentrate again to your belly, to the deep stretch on the belly, and lengthen your arm, upper rib cage stretching upward. Holding it here for a few more breaths. Lengthening your arm out. Staying here for a few more breaths. And slowly to come back to twist your spine side to side. Keeping your right hand going back once and left hand going back once. Keep on the movement with the side to side twist. Keep on the spine going side to side twist. Constant movement from the shoulder to the lower back. Your arm, constant move side to side. Alternatively side to side, the hands front to the knees and back to the spine. Keep on this momentum. Few more breath, few more twist. Inhale to come back on a center. Raise your arms up toward the sky. Exhale to go all the way forward. Stretch your arm front, head toward the floor. Lean forward, rest forward. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Stay there for a few breaths more. And slowly be ready to come up. Slowly to coming up toward the center and sit down. Spread your legs on the mat wider, mat corners, toes toward you, and use your cross hands to go toward the opposite toes. Very good. Keep on the movement side to side with the hands to the toes. If you don't touch the toes, that's okay. You can touch the ankle or your shin bones, knees, wherever you can easily. Keep on the momentum side to side cross move. Very good. Keep on the few more rounds of the movement side to side move. Side to side gentle moves. Keep on the moves. Very good. And now slowly to come back on the center. Join your feet together. Take your right foot coming in to the inner thighs of the left leg straight, and exhale to go to the forward. Touch your toes, head toward the knee, hands toward the toes. Inhale. Rotate your arms slowly back and turn toward the sky. To exhale, go forward again to the Janu Sirsasana. Exhale, inhale to come back again. Rotate your arms up to the sky. Exhale to forward bend. Inhale to come back up. Stretch your hands up to the sky. To exhale, forward bend. Inhale to rotate your arms up. Exhale to forward bend. Inhale to rotate your arms up. Exhale to forward bend. Inhale to rotate your arms back up. Exhale to forward bend. Inhale to rotate your arms up. Exhale to forward bend. Inhale to rotate your arms up. Exhale to forward bend. Inhale to rotate your arms up. Exhale to forward bend. Inhale slowly to switch your leg. Take your left leg to the inner thighs to the right and exhale to go forward with the hand to the toes, head to the knee. Inhale to rotate your arms. Exhale to forward bend. Inhale to stretch your arms up, rotate up. Exhale to front. Inhale to rotate up. Exhale to front. Inhale to straight rotate up. Exhale to front. Inhale to 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 rotate up. Exhale to front. Inhale. Exhale to release your breath. Stretch your leg forward. Join them together. Rotate your arms up. Exhale to go forward to the Paschimottanasana. Both hands, both feet together on the front, hand touching the toes. Arch your spine gently. Push your abdominal toward the quads. Look up to the ceiling. Hold it here for a few breaths. Concentrate on your belly. Lengthen your spine up. Push your abdominal toward the quads. Maintain the posture for a few breaths. Stay here for a few more breaths. Concentrate to the arch and push up the abdominal to the quads. Stay here, be there, and now slowly to come back on a center. Stretch your arm up. Exhale to place your palms to the floor, finger pointing toward your toes, and slowly with inhale push your hip up. Maintain here. You can move your neck up and down to the collarbone, to the back. 2-in-1 exercise you will call it. Getting the neck free, Purvottanasana, and moving the neck if required. If not, you can hold it backward or frontward as per your capacity. Maintaining your weight on your arm and the foot sole on the floor. Abdominal engaged toward the spine. Exhale slowly to the floor. Inhale, exhale, join your feet together. Allow yourself to lay down on your spine. Now bring your heels closer to the hip on the floor. Wider leg, knee level distance. Inhale to raise your hip up to the bridge pose, Setu Bandhasan. Holding it here for a few breaths. Concentrate to raise off the spine, upper vertebrae and neck resting on the floor. Chin closer to the collarbone, lifting up the hip more high. Tight your foot on the floor, maintain your palm on the ground and holding it here for a few breaths to the spine. Exhale, release to the floor safely. Inhale to place your palms underneath your shoulder. If you are only advanced practitioner, then only do it. Inhale to push up your body up to the chakrasana, to the wheel pose, staying here for a couple of breaths. If you are capable to hold everyone with easy, go ahead. If not, the last posture you can hold up. Hold it here for a few more breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and exhale slowly to the floor. Rest your head back on the floor. Inhale, exhale, take your legs up to the 90-degree angle. Maintain your arms resting on the floor. Concentrate on your abdominal to pull in toward the spine. Your legs should be straight from the hip line. Knee can be bent toward the chest if you are unable to push your knees up to the 90-degree. You can straight up or you can bend it toward the chest. Hold it here for a few breaths. Make sure your chin closer to the collarbone. Toes can be either up or toward your head. Take your hands up and come up slowly to lift yourself in a Nokasana. Balance, find your on a tailbone. Concentrate on your tailbone. Maintain your posture on a Nokasana boat pose. Now slowly to drop your legs toward the floor. Open your arm wider, open your leg wider, maintain your middle back, upper back on the floor, lift up your shoulder, up your upper vertebrae, wider leg on a V shape, your hands wider with the shoulder line level. Maintain this position here onto the Supta Nokasana, keeping your chin to the collarbone or looking to the 45-degree angle to the ceiling. Holding it here for a few breaths, using your abs, joining your feet together, binding them together to hug them tight. Sit posture, couple of breath here to rest you down. Inhale, exhale to place your palm on the floor, raise your leg forward mat and stretch your hip up away from the ground to the Purvottanasana. Maintaining your palms on the floor, toes to the floor, abdominal in, exhale slowly to the floor. Inhale, exhale to rotate your arms up to exhale, forward bend to the Paschimottanasana. More deeper this time if you can. If not, you can stay still. The last one we did. Maintain here for a 1 breath, 2 breath. Keep on the constant breath and then slowly to release the posture. Inhale, exhale, come lay down on your abdominal and slowly to come up to the Salavasana, single raise leg and holding it here with your left leg up on the sky and arching the back with hands tight, maintaining your spine arch, leg up from your groin, abdominal on the floor, other leg resting on the floor. Exhale to release slowly on the floor. Inhale to come back again from the other side of the leg, your right leg up on the air this time, your chin chest up from the floor, maintain your arch back, raise leg from your groins. Hold it for a few more breaths. Exhale to release. Inhale slowly to join your feet and grab the ankles to lift your knees and chin chest on a Dhanurasana. Stretch your knee up, chin chest up away from the floor. Maintain here for a few breaths. Maintain that arch. Find your tailbone arching the tight, soft your hip clutch and lift your knees. Exhale to release your body back on the floor. Release your legs. Slowly have a 1 breath here to interlock your hands back off your spine and stretch your legs on a Salavasana with the chin chest up also at the same time on the air. Maintain here for a few breaths. Concentrate on your belly to the floor. Lengthen your legs and arch the back. Exhale to the floor. Have a 1 breath. Inhale to arch up to the Bhujangasana. Makes your pelvic to the floor, micro bend on the elbow, open shoulder nicely, thoracic region open, chin chest up toward the sky, soft the lower back, soft the glutes and hip, arch back position. Maintaining it here for a few breaths onto the Bhujangasana. Exhale to release it down and slowly to take your hip back to the heels, head to the floor and head down, hands stretch forward to the child pose. Balasana, concentrate to your belly breath, spine. Allow yourself to rest here for a couple of breaths. Gentle breathe in, gentle breathe out. 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 Slowly to come back on a cow cat to shift your legs into the cross leg. Right leg toward the pelvic, left leg forward, knees are spacious and wider, ankles are free from the cross and you are sitting on a cross leg position. Now Kapalbhati exercise, Kapalbhati, exhale, stroke the belly in with the exhale. Exhale, 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 exhale. Release. Have a 1 normal breath. Calm down yourself and come back to the Bhamri Pranayama. Cover up your eyes with the palms. Deep inhale and making the humming sound. Louder the humming sound. Now slowly release your hands. Have a 1 normal breath to inhale, exhale, and here. Gentle breathe in, out. Ready for some Om chanting and prayer. Slowly, gently rubbing your palms to cover up your eyes. Keep on rubbing your palms to warm and cover up with that warmth, the healing vibrations. Gently massage your face. Open your palm as a mirror and namaste. Have a great day ahead. Thank you very much.